देश के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने एबीपी न्यूज के हालिया इंटरव्यू का जिक्र किया है, जहां उन्होंने कांग्रेस और मुंबई हमले के बाद मनमोहन सरकार में गृह मंत्री बनाए गए पी चिदम्बरम पर जमकर निशाना साधा है। ये इंटरव्यू हाल में ही लिया गया, जो सोशल मीडिया पर जमकर वायरल हुआ और वायरल हो रहा है, जिसका जिक्र अब पीएम मोदी ने भी कर दिया है। पीएम मोदी ने कहा कि मुंबई आतंकी हमले के बाद देश पाकिस्तान पर जवाबी कार्रवाई के लिए तैयार था, लेकिन उस समय की सरकार ने अमेरिका के सामने घुटने टेक दिए और जवाबी कार्रवाई नहीं की। पीएम मोदी ने ये बातें नवी मुंबई अंतर्राष्ट्रीय हवाई अड्डे के उद्घाटन के बाद एक सभा को संबोधित करते हुए कही। आपको बता दें कि बीते दिनों एबीपी न्यूज की पॉलिटिकल एडिटर मेघा प्रसाद के साथ एक इंटरव्यू में पी चिदम्बरम ने कबूल किया था कि मुंबई हमले के बाद भारत पाकिस्तान पर जवाबी कार्रवाई करना चाहता था, लेकिन अमेरिका के दबाव में भारत ये हमला नहीं कर सका। पीएम मोदी ने क्या कुछ कहा है वो भी आपको सुनाते हैं।
कांग्रेस के एक बड़े नेता जो देश के गृह मंत्री तक रह चुके हैं, उन्होंने एक इंटरव्यू में बहुत बड़ा खुलासा किया है। उन्होंने दावा किया है कि मुंबई हमले के बाद हमारी सेनाएं पाकिस्तान पर हमला करने को तैयार थी। पूरा देश भी उस समय यही चाहता था, लेकिन उस कांग्रेस नेता की माने तो किसी दूसरे देश के दबाव के कारण तब कांग्रेस सरकार ने भारत की सेनाओं को पाकिस्तान पर हमला करने से रोक दिया था। कांग्रेस को यह बताना होगा कि वो कौन था जिसने विदेशी दबाव में फैसला लिया, जिसने मुंबई की देश की भावना से खिलवाड़ किया। और देश को ये जानने का हक है, कांग्रेस की इस कमजोरी ने आतंकवादियों को मजबूत किया, देश की सुरक्षा को कमजोर किया, जिसकी कीमत देश को बार बार जाने गंवाकर चुकानी पड़ी। साथियों, हमारे लिए देश और देशवासियों की सुरक्षा से बढ़कर कुछ भी नहीं है। आज का भारत दमदार जवाब देता है। आज का भारत घर में घुसकर मारता है। ये दुनिया ने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के दौरान देखा भी है और गर्व की अनुभूति भी की है।
वहीं अब पी चिदम्बरम ने अपनी पिछली इंटरव्यू में क्या कहा था। उन्होंने इंटरव्यू के दौरान कहा कि साल 2008 में हुए मुंबई आतंकी हमले के समय कांग्रेस नेता पी चिदम्बरम केंद्र गृह मंत्री थे। इस हमले के बाद भारत की प्रतिक्रिया को लेकर उन्होंने कहा कि तत्कालीन अमेरिकी विदेश मंत्री कोंडोलीजा राइस उनसे और प्रधानमंत्री से मिलने भारत आई थी और उनसे स्थिति पर कोई प्रतिक्रिया न देने का अनुरोध किया था। सुनिए।
It's about the 2008 26/11 attack. So you became the Home Minister. You took charge from Mr. Shivraj Patil, who was pretty much forced to resign 4 days after the incident. Now, sir, my question to you here is that you took upon the mantle. Whatever happened back then was perhaps, and I think in the history of India, this was the biggest attack that we've seen, went on for 3 long days. You as the Home Minister, sir, back then, what was going on in your mind? Did retribution, avenging the attack ever cross your mind? Because at that point in time, we did not as a government do anything to bring those responsible to justice.
Your conclusion is wrong.
Okay.
But I will explain.
Okay.
I became Home Minister the day after the terrorists were neutralized.
Yeah, that was 30th of
On
November.
the 1st of December.
Yes, sir.
The last terrorist was neutralized on the 30th of November.
Right.
And I think it was a Sunday when I was called by the Prime Minister in the morning and said, we are moving you to from finance to home.
Okay.
I said, but I don't wish to go.
Oh.
He says, we have already taken a decision. I said, who's we? He said, Mrs. Gandhi was Congress president, naturally, and he. And I said, may I speak to Mrs. Gandhi and come back? He said, I think she is not in town today, but you will have to move and take charge tomorrow morning. Because just before you came, you must have seen Mr. Shivraj Patil go out of my room, and he has tenders resignation.
Okay.
I said, listen, I would be very happy to complete my term as finance minister. I had presented 5 budgets and the elections were in 2009
Right.
April.
Right.
He says, no, you will have to stand by the party's decision and you will have to move.
This is
I
more
said,
of
all
an
right.
order.
I said, I'll move, but reluctantly.
Reluctantly. Okay.
When I moved and I knew what had to be done, see, I had no acquaintance with the preparedness of our defense forces.
Okay, sir.
I had no acquaintance with the preparedness of our intelligence agencies. I had no knowledge of the assets in intelligence agencies are built in Pakistan and in the neighborhood. I went in blank.
Okay.
Without disclosing any official secret.
Yes, sir.
It did cross my mind that we should do some act of retribution.
It crossed your mind.
Yeah, it crossed my mind.
Okay.
I did discuss it with the Prime Minister and other people who mattered.
Yes.
And apparently the Prime Minister had discussed this even when the attack was going on. I don't know. I can only surmise. And the conclusion was largely influenced by the MEA and the IFS that we should not physically react to the situation, but we should employ diplomatic means. That was the conclusion at that time, and I was told that, but remember, the whole world was descending upon Delhi to tell us that don't start a war. For example, Condoleezza Rice,
Yeah.
who was the then Secretary of State, flew in 2 days or 3 days after I took over to meet me and the Prime Minister and to say, please don't react. I said, this is a decision which the government will take.
You say that the IFS lobby almost
No,
largely
it's not a lobby. I
influenced-
didn't use the
the
word
IFS, the
lobby.
IFS people,
The
they
IFS, the
influenced the
diplomatic
final
service.
decision. Okay, so I just want to quickly, take you through some lines that I read in Shiv Shankar Menon's book, the book that he wrote, Choices Inside the Making of India's Foreign Policy.
He mentions what I said.
He says, I urged both External Affairs Minister Pranab Mukherjee and Prime Minister Manmohan Singh that we should retaliate and be seen to retaliate to deter further attacks. For me, Pakistan had crossed a line that demanded action. My preferences was overt action against LET headquarters in Muridke and LET camps in POK. He goes on to say that Mr. Mukherjee seemed to agree with the idea. He didn't say anything about you in that book in this context.
he would not have.
So I want to know, Mr.
I don't
Chidambaram,
know,
you
you
were the
should
Home
ask him.
Minister. What was your view back then?
You should ask him. I can't disclose the internal conversations at that time, but I confirmed that the decision was not to retaliate.
But what was, like you said, initially you said that you thought we should have retaliated. and this was discussed. And he's the foreign secretary. He was the foreign secretary then.
I don't entirely agree with this recollection. So let's leave it there.
Okay, all right. Because sir, the question again, in hindsight, a lot of questions are being asked now that Pahalgam has happened, Operation Sindoor, we've witnessed it.
You
Hence,
are
questions
making
repeatedly.
you are comparing
Huh.
2008
And 8,
with 2025.
25. Yeah.
17 years.
Okay.
Several things have happened. Therefore, don't compare 2008 and 2025.
And why is that? Why would you say don't compare?
See, the preparedness of our defense forces,
Okay.
the positioning of the intelligence assets were very different in 2008.
Okay.
As I discovered in the weeks and months
After taking over.
after my appointment.
Okay.
So we had to rebuild our assets, rebuild our preparedness, which
Okay.
we did.
Okay. But in hindsight, Mr. Chidambaram, honestly, if I were to ask you, you think your government went soft on terror back then?
No, it was not soft on terror. We did not retaliate for reasons.
You think we should have?
My personal view was
yeah.
we should have. But I don't decide on my personal view. I take on the strengths and weaknesses of the government.
I understand that. But you know, when I was reading this book and Mr. Menon says that he felt that Pakistan had crossed a line and that needed a retaliation.
I don't share Mr. Menon's recollection of what happened in 2008.
But you personally felt that we should have.
That's my personal
That's
view.
your personal view.
तो फिलहाल में एबीपी का वायरल इंटरव्यू जिसका जिक्र अब पीएम मोदी नरेंद्र मोदी ने भी कर दिया है और पी चिदम्बरम पर जमकर निशाना साधा है। फिलहाल आपकी क्या राय है नीचे दे कमेंट सेक्शन में हमें जरूर बताइए। मैं थी आपके साथ वंशिका सिंह और आप देख रहे हैं एबीपी लाइव।